getting off today in the port of Seward, Alaska. And there's a fire nearby, a forest fire. So this is a little fog, but smoke, and it smells like a fire. It's also pretty cold. But Seward, Alaska. That's our ship, the Viking Orion. And we seem to be the only ship in port. So, Busted Sea Life Center with Vince. Is that the ticket?
Yeah.
The magic ticket?
Magic ticket. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we're at the Sea Life Center. It was about a 10-minute bus ride, if even that. We're gonna go on in here. Imagine they sell these photographs.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh look, there's something up there hanging from the ceiling. It's a pod of orca. Alaska Sea Life Center, windows to the sea. Look, sea life. Sea life. Yo ho, yo ho. Sea life, life for me. Captain Jack, Alaska.
Oh, there they are. They're over there.
So here's a big aquarium with lots of people in the way. So this is what's at the bottom of the pier. Look, a boat motor. And of course bottles. A little crab, shrimp. Oh, look, a little flounder. Fan mail from some flounder. Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Those guys are rather noisy. There they are.
Oh, okay.
So here's a tank full of baby salmon. Here's my hand as comparison. These are much larger. See? And I would say these are fully grown. Now we're getting reflections. Here's my hand. This is the Resurrection Bay Overlook. And you probably can't see, but there's mountains right there. And I'm told there's mountains over there. And if it wasn't so smoky, we would be amazed. Or at least impressed. Suctioned on the glass. I wonder what that is. Starfish exhibit. Gently touch the animals with only 1 or 2 fingers. Even that one? Oh, that's just hit the end of his. So. Woo! It moves. Do you see that? Road the docks. You can see the mountains and the forest, kind of. Like I say, it's very... See, there's one. I'm not sure if they're freshwater or saltwater, though. But it really is picturesque here, right? This is the Alaska Sea Life Center where we went this morning. We're gonna walk up the road there. This is sort of the end of town. Have you ever seen a warning sign like this? Waterfall ahead? Here's the waterfall ahead. Now I would guess that no salmon jump up that. So I don't know if this is a salmon creek or not. Although you can't see it, Janet has pointed out a salmon down there for me, and this guy wants to catch it. Apparently somebody caught one. Yeah. What kind?
Hi.
What kind?
This is a sockeye.
Sockeye. Okay. Waterfall, river, bridge. It's got salmon in it because those people caught one, and plus we saw some. Over there is the Sea Life Center, which we went in this morning. But on the beach here, check this out. Those are jellyfish.
Look at them all.
And Janet says, look at them all. And I am. Or maybe she said, look at the mall. So these guys are waiting to be on dry land. Now, I don't know if you can see out in the water there, but it's thick with them. So this is one of the main shopping drags in town, we were told. So we're taking a walk up this street, which is positively 4th Street. Oh, 4th Avenue, my bad. And there's your Brown and Hawkins. Not sure what they sell.
Mercantile.
But there it is. Janet says mercantile. So if you know what that is, you know what they sell. Thorn Showcase. Deluxe grilled cheese. Bucket of butt. Halibut, that is. A bear. Haven't seen enough of those. This guy got himself a salmon. So this was the Seward City Tours free shuttle. Anyone can ride it. It makes 14 stops. I have a little map of some of them. They give you the map on the ship, or they did us. But we're back at the port now, gonna reboard. We caught that shuttle downtown, in the historic downtown of Seward. But now back to the ship, because we don't dig the smoke.